Hey there, EV enthusiasts! Today we're diving deep into Subaru's latest electric offering, the 2025 Solterra. But before you smash that like button, let's get real about what this electric SUV brings to the table. First impressions? The Solterra looks ready for adventure, and that's exactly what Subaru intended. If you're wondering whether this is just another city-slicking electric crossover, think again. With 8.3 inches of ground clearance and standard all-wheel drive, this EV means business when the pavement ends. Under the hood, well, technically under the floor, you'll find a dual-motor setup pushing out 215 horsepower and 249 pound-feet of torque. In our testing, we hit 60 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds. Sure, it's not Tesla quick, but let's be honest. When was the last time you actually needed to smoke someone at a stoplight in your family SUV? Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, range. The Solterra delivers about 227 miles depending on trim, but in our real-world highway test at 75 miles per hour, we saw closer to 200 miles. Not great, not terrible, but definitely something to consider if you're planning those long weekend getaways. Step inside and you're greeted by what feels like a spacecraft cockpit. The high-mounted digital gauge cluster takes some getting used to, but the visibility is fantastic thanks to the huge windows and available panoramic roof. The new for 2025 Onyx Edition adds some serious street cred with blacked-out trim and wheels. Definitely worth checking out if you're into that stealthy look. Cargo space? Plenty of it. You're looking at 24 cubic feet behind the rear seats, expanding to 64 with them folded. Perfect for all your adventure gear or that impulsive Costco run. Speaking of getaways, here's where the Solterra really shines. Hit the dirt trails, and this electric Subi feels right at home. The X-Mode system and grip control feature, think of it as off-road cruise control, make tackling rough terrain almost too easy. And get this, you can even do donuts on dirt thanks to the rear-biased power delivery and ability to fully disable stability control. Not that we're encouraging that, of course, but it's not all sunshine and sustainable energy. The charging speeds could be better. We're talking about 48 minutes to go from 10 to 90% on a DC fast charger. In a world where some competitors can do the same in half the time, that's a bit of a bummer. Price-wise, you're looking at around $47,000 to start, climbing up to $54,000 for a fully loaded model. Our sweet spot? The limited trim, which gets you those sweet 20-inch wheels, power front seats, and heated steering wheel without breaking the bank. So what's the bottom line? The 2025 Solterra is like that friend who shows up late to the party but brings something unique to the table. It's not the quickest, doesn't go the furthest, and isn't the cheapest, but it's got character. If you're a Subaru fan looking to go electric, or just someone who wants an EV that can actually handle some off-road action, the Solterra deserves a spot on your test drive list. But hey, that's just our take. Let us know in the comments what you think about Subaru's electric adventure machine. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more EV reviews and ring that bell to stay notified. Until next time, keep it charged. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.